sound effects, we need an audience volunteer who's good at making sound effects. And when I say good, I mean it doesn't matter if you're good. So if you want to project your voice with some sound, you want to do it? All right, guy, come on up. All right, what's your name? Drew, here's what's going to happen. During their scene, you will provide all the sound effects for their space work. All right, scene work. Let's say Jesse here was opening a door. That would sound like? Louder? No, real loud. It's alive! Okay. Let's get a suggestion for their scene. What is something that could fit in my hands?
A
locket.
A pill button.
Let's do a locket. Yeah, sure. A locket. This is audience sound effects. Players, are you ready?
Yes! That was the gasp I made because I'm finally meeting my long-lost twin brother. If you've got the other half of this locket, go ahead.
I have it.
It's pretty windy in there. No! But they fit. Well, but they came apart again. That's just because I jerked back really quick. No. Let's touch them again. I want to hear the sound. Okay. It was a little bit at the end. It's nice to finally meet you, Jeremy.
My boys.
Oh, Mom, you've always tried to keep us apart.
Back together after all these years. I didn't mean for either of you to ever
No!
find each other.
Mom, no! I'm gonna... Here! That's right. This one's Velcroed shut. Now you know. Jeffrey! Yes? We're getting a little hasty. I know that she has kept us apart for so long, but... I mean, don't you think that No! Oh! She threw them into the sand! We'll never find them!
Your father went to Jared, and he's not our friend in the diamond business.
Fine, I'll put the gun away, and I'll close the drawer. I have a better idea. Are you trying to open your car? Yeah! It's stuck! There we go! My hand, there it is! My hand kept slipping! A Suzuki!
Thanks for watching. If you like that, we have tons more videos. Go ahead and subscribe or check out this next one.